Hello everyone, and today I'm just going to be making a quick video on my first attempt ever at making a gorget. Obviously it turned out nothing like a gorget, but it sort of does the job-ish. It's in two pieces here, and the straps that you put your head through here are just a shoelace that I found in the garage from an old shoe. Again, as you can see, we've got the two separate pieces here. Just drilled some holes in the top here to run the shoelaces through. And it's sort of a little bit of extra protection for up above where the cuirass doesn't cover. When it's properly on, it should sort of overlap a bit. It's not my best work again, but it's alright. It sort of does its job, I guess. It sort of looks something like this when you're sort of wearing it. I don't know if I can do a very good job here. If you pull it tight, it goes round. Obviously it's a little bit further apart than that. There is a little bit of a gap in between the shoulders on here and here. I'm hoping that if I make pauldrons, that will cover up all of the exposed area here and here. And this is meant to go over the top in conjunction with the cuirass that I made. So this would sort of go up around the neck and protect the neck up past where the cuirass / breastplate type thing doesn't protect anymore. Now I'll go ahead and put it on. Alright, so this is what the new armour looks like on top of the old armour, or the last piece of armour that I made. Now, this was my attempt at making a gorget. It sort of just turned out as a really bad chest plate. So you can see a little bit more protection for around my neck here. Could probably have a sharper angle, would be better. As you can see, there's a little bit of exposed space around here, but that's fine. On the back, this is what it looks like on the back. Sort of a bit more cover there. Now obviously there's a bit of gaps in the middle here. A really good gorget would probably just go all the way around and lock, but I'm not good enough to make that yet. So we've got gaps in here. I guess pauldrons would fix that. Maybe that'll be the next thing, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's alright. Slightly better protection than just the cuirass on, for the neck at least, and sort of upper body here. And you can still move your hands around as well, which is fine. The gorget attempt, at least this was my attempt at making a gorget, is relatively thick, same thickness as the cuirass here. Probably only a mil or so, a little bit over a mil maybe. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.